Student, today we are going to discuss history of an expert system. In last lecture, we discussed what is expert system, what is an expert system, what is the what we can say, what are the expert advice which is to be given by expert system. So what is this expert system? It is a subtopic subunit of an expert system. It might be a software system, a robot, a computer, and which gives expert advice to the user. Okay, now what is the history of an expert system? Why we are moving toward expert system? Expert system which were introduced by Stanford Heuristic Programming Project, which led by Feinbaum, who is sometimes referred to as the father of an expert system. The Stanford researchers tried to identify domains where expertise was highly valued and complex, such as diagnosing infection disease mycin, identifying unknown organic molecules dendral. In addition to Feinbaum, key early contributors were Edward Shortlife, Bruce Buchanan, and the Randall Davis. So, with Feinbaum and his team discovered expert system. Expert system were among the first truly successful forms of an artificial intelligence software. So, e-mycin, that was medical expert system in the 1990s and beyond. The term expert system and the idea of standalone AI system mostly dropped from the IT lexicon. There are two interpretations of this. One is that expert system failed. The IT world moved on the because expert system did not deliver on their overhyped promise. The fall of an expert system was so spectacular that even AI legend Rishi Sharma admitted to cheating in his college project regarding expert system because he did not consider the project worthwhile. The other is mirror opposite, that expert systems were simply victim of their success. As IT professionals grasp concepts such as rule engines, such tools migrated from standalone tools from the development of special purpose expert system to one more than tool that an IT professional which has their disposal. Many of the leading major business application suite vendors such as SAP, Siebel, and Oracle integrated expert system capabilities into their suite of products. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the history of an expert system. But keep in mind the Feinbaum and the team of his, which was referred to as the father of the expert system, and expert system which was introduced at the Stanford Heuristic Programming Project. So these are the expert system. Dendral, which is used in chemical mass spectroscopy to identify chemical constituents. Mycin, medical diagnosis of an illness. Deep meter, geological data analysis for oil. Prospector, which is useful for geographical data analysis for minerals. XCON or R1 configuring computer system. So these are the things which are related to the history of an expert system. So here we conclude that Feinbaum was the father of an expert system, and expert system, it is a subtopic subunit of an artificial intelligence which is useful for to give an expert advice to the user. Okay, thank you.